Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is alphabet in pictures. In earlier session, we understood the 4 letters in the alphabet series. They were A, B, C, D. In today's session, we will understand the further 4 letters E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. We will understand how to write them, what is the recognition for the letter, and what are the objects, pictures with the specific letter. Let's start the session with letter E, the 5th letter of the alphabet series, letter E. E sounds A. E, A, egg. E, A, elephant. E, A, I. This is letter E. This is letter E. E, A, egg. E, A, elephant. E, A, I. E, A, I. E comes after letter D. E comes after letter D. This is our letter E, and we have objects like egg, elephant, eye. Now let us understand how to write letter E in cursive letters. Cursive letters are formed by curves. This is our capital cursive E. This is our small cursive E. Capital cursive E, small cursive E. Let's start by writing it. First start from this point. Make a round curve like this. Then from the bottom and close it inside. This is capital cursive E. Capital cursive E. Small cursive E is very easy to make. You just have to start from this point, make a round curve. This is small cursive E. E sounds A. E sounds A. E, A, egg. E, A, elephant. E, A, I. You know which letter comes after E? Yes, is letter F. Letter F. After E comes letter F. F for fish. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. This is fish with letter F. Frog again with letter F. And flower with letter F. F have so many beautiful things like fish. You can see the fish is so colorful. Frog which hops. F for frog. And then F for flower. Flower comes in many colors. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. F sounds fur. F sounds fur. Now let's see how to write letter F. This is our letter F in cursive writings. In cursive writings, let us understand how to make capital cursive F. Start from the top, make like this, come down with a standing line and curve. In the middle, make a sleeping line. This is capital cursive F. Capital cursive F. This is small cursive F. Now let us understand how to write it. You have to start from this point, come downwards with a standing line, curve it, close it, and a line back. This is small cursive F. Small cursive F. This is capital cursive F. Small cursive F. F sounds fur. F sounds fur. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. You know which letter comes after F? It's letter G. G, G, gun. G, G, goat. G, G, grapes. Letter G. G, G, gun. G, G, goat. G, G, grapes. Grapes are also in green color, which starts with letter G. G, gun. G, goat, which gives us milk. G, grapes. G, grapes. G comes after letter F. Comes after F. Now let us understand how to write it. You know, students, letter G is very easy to write. This is your capital G. This is your small g. They both are in cursive letters. Both are in cursive letters. You have to start with a curve, round it, come down and make curve outwards. This is capital cursive G. Capital cursive G. This is small cursive G. Small cursive G is like this. Come back, come down, make a curve. Yes, this is small cursive G. This is capital cursive G. G sounds G. G sounds G. G, gun. G, goat. G, grapes. After G, there comes letter H. H, hut. H, hen. H, horse. H, hut. Hut is used to live. H, hen. Hen, which gives us eggs. Egg. And H, horse. You have ever done horse riding? I have done it and I love it. H, horse. H, hut. H, hen. H sounds H. H sounds H. Hut. Hen. Horse. Now understand how to write letter H. How to write it? Yes, we have to write like this. This is capitals. This is small. First, make a curve, come down, again backwards. Now another slanting line and like this. This is capital cursive H. Capital cursive H. This is small cursive H. Very easy to make. Just start from outside. Make a standing line and a curve going backwards. This is small cursive H. Small cursive H. Small cursive H. H sounds H. H, hut. H, hen. H, horse. I hope students, you all are now aware with all the 4 sounds and letters E, F, G, H. E sounds A. F sounds F. G sounds G. H sounds H. That's all for today's session.